Let's customize the shot volume for single and double cups. Start by using the tamper to press the coffee grounds firmly. The tamper should be level with the edges of the portafilter. Next, align the portafilter with the insert slot and turn it to the right until it lines up with the dial and sits parallel to the drip tray. Fill the water tank with clean water, ensuring it doesn't exceed the max line. Press the power button to turn on the machine. The indicators will flash while the machine heats up. Once they stop flashing and stay lit, the machine is ready. To adjust the amount of coffee, press and hold the single cup button for single cup reprogramming. When the volume reaches the amount you want, press the selected single cup button to stop extraction and the buzzer will sound for once. To set the shot volume for a double cup, press and hold the double cup button for double cup reprogramming. When the desired volume is reached, press the selected double cup button to stop extraction and the buzzer will sound for once. Now you're all set. Enjoy your espresso and savor every sip.